Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to encrypt an MS Word document with a password in a few quick steps. This function is handy if you want to protect the information in the document or if you want to prevent anyone else from making changes to your document. Are you interested? Then keep watching. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. First, open the Microsoft Word document you want to encrypt on your computer. Next, you're going to click on the File menu in the top right corner. Then, select the Info tab and click on the Protect Document button. You should see a list of options identical to the ones on our screen. From that list, select Encrypt with Password. In the pop-up dialog box, you'll get asked to enter the password. When you do so, click OK. Re-enter the password once again and confirm with the OK button. Microsoft Word will indicate that the document is now protected. Then, you must save your file to keep it encrypted. You can verify if the document is protected with your password by reopening it afterward. Every time you try to open the file, you will be asked to enter the password in the pop-up dialog box to access its contents. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.